Okay, so this is our smart home system. We have the RFID checker, LDR. This is the relay. We have the motion sensor, smoke detector, and temperature and humidity sensor. Okay, and then inside we have the servo motor here for the opening and closing of the door. Here are the LEDs showing if any of the sensors are working. So as you can see here, the green one is on, which is the motion sensor, because I'm in front of the motion sensor. Okay, so this is the buzzer for smoke detector, and this is the buzzer that you can turn on or off manually. Okay, so here you can see the temperature is 23.8. We are opening aircon. The aircon shows 24, but we've been opening it for quite a long time, so maybe the temperature has dropped a bit. Okay, this is the humidity in this room, 60, and this is the smoke value currently, normal. Alert, motion detector. This is the buzzer that I said you can turn on, the ones in front. Okay, and then here is the light status. Here, when you turn on the light using the Blynk app, it will turn on. Okay, so this indicates that the light on the front yard will be opening, will be light up when you turn on the light manually using the website on the Blynk app. And then you can also control the door here via Blynk app. If I open the door, and then for a few seconds, after a few seconds it will close automatically, so that you can either control it via the website or in Blynk application in my phone. Okay, so this is the smart home in the phone, 23.7, temperature, humidity 60, smoke value normal. You can turn on the buzzer. You can also turn on this light here. When you press this, the light will turn on, and you can also turn it off. And then this is the door. You can open the door. It will open, and after a few seconds it will turn off. It will close by its own. Okay, so right now we will see whether the LDR, the RFID, and the smoke detector is working or not. Okay, first we will see the RFID. Okay, it shows that this card is not authorized to get inside the house, so it will beep showing that it is not authorized. This is the real card, so if you tap, the door will open, or you can control it manually using the Blynk app via your phone. After a few seconds it will turn off as well. Okay, when you are using the RFID, the blue light will turn on, indicates that the door is currently in the opening state, and then it will turn off when it's in a closed state. Okay, now we will see if the smoke detector is working or not. So right now it's showing normal. See here, smoke alert, normal. Okay, so you okay, here you see alert, smoke detected, and the smoke value increases as well. So you can see in my phone as well. Here. Okay. See? Smoke detected, alert, smoke detected. Okay. And then it will turn off when there is no smoke. Okay. So normal. Smoke value is normal. Okay. It's below 800, so it's stating normal. Okay, right now I will show you if the LDR is working or not. So the LED, the yellow LED for the front yard will open, will light up whenever the LDR is covered on top, meaning that it's dark. If it's dark outside, the LED for the front